Say hello to the new Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. The divine neutrals with 6 mattes, 3 satins, and 3 shimmers. She's upped the game with this one, with stunning metallics, perfect mattes, the ultimate satin finish, giving us that punch of color, that high definition, with stunning immaculate transition shades. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 amazing eye looks that I created with this brand new palette. I can't wait to try this on, test this out, and give this product a score. Let's get into this video. This is the palette right here. Love this packaging, love the coloring, love the details. It's a good size, has a good weight to it. This does have a paper packaging to it. Love the big mirror, that's fantastic. And what I really love about this palette is that you have all of the shade names right there in bold under the colors. That's perfect, love that. I hate it when a palette just kind of puts that paper insert in because you do lose that. And I hate it when it's on the back. So this is fantastic. So to start, they have these 3 beautiful transition shades here. I'm going to go in with Just Barely to start. Tap that off. And I'm just going to apply this right here in my crease. Okay, first impressions, that color is pretty. This is blending out really nice. I actually thought it would be a slight darker shade, but as a transition, that's beautiful. Okay, so the color does build when you dip in for a second application. Okay, that's a pretty transition shade. The formula is exactly what I was expecting. That beautiful, never fail, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill, exclusive formula. That's beautiful, love that. Next, let's go in to the one right beside it called Good Vibes. We're just gonna tap that off. I'm going to, again, go into that crease area. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful shade. Just gonna lay that color down where I want it. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend that out. That is a beautiful pigmented, nice, warm, neutral brown. That's stunning. I love that. So next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Booked. That is a very pigmented shade. Holy smokes, check that out. Tap that off on my wrist. I'm going to go in and just kind of darken up the outer corner right here. These are the perfect colors for this time of year. So warm, so vibrant. This is what's coming down the runway, what's all over Instagram, social media, are these warm, neutral shades. And this is just such an amazing palette for that. These colors are gorgeous. Let's go in and blend with this Smith brush. Now, I love the Jaclyn Morphe brushes. They're affordable, they blend amazing. Love them so much. I actually just picked up these Smith brushes and I'm loving them. Expensive, yes, but amazing. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your brush game, 100% recommend. Now that I have that blended out, I'm gonna go in with my ring finger to the color called Striptease. Love the name. I'm just gonna pick up some of that color. I'm going to place that right here in the center of my lid. Okay, first impressions, that is gorgeous. Like, so damn good. Like, that is so pretty. Wow. Again, I'm gonna go in with that Smith brush. I'm just going to buff out those edges. Just giving it a nice clean blend. Let's go into this color right here called Birthday Suit, just for the inner corner of my eye. Again, I'm going to apply that with my ring finger. Okay, these colors are phenomenal. Like, she did such an amazing job with these shimmers. They have just the right amount of that glitter reflect for no fallout and just like this perfect, stunning application. Just gorgeous. Okay, now that I've completed both eyes in this amazing look, I'm going to go in, apply my liner, my lashes, and I will be right back. This is look 1. It's giving me that golden goddess, that glamorous, amazing bronze smoky eye. So sexy for autumn. totally runway inspired. I'm going to go in, I'm gonna do 2 to 3 other looks for you guys. So I will not show you guys the blend for that one, but I will link all the products in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think. All right, roll the tape. This palette is stunning. The color story, beautiful. You know, those mattes, phenomenal. I want to see how this palette ranks against the others. All right, guys, it's time to give this product a score. Starting with fallout. I didn't experience much fallout. I was when I was rushing a little bit, doing some of the other looks for you guys. There was a little bit in some of the pans, not all of them, so I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. Up next, application. This palette is Morphe. Morphe is amazing. Jaclyn Hill has her own formula with Morphe, and they are just, the colors, everything about it, it is stunning. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Moving on to pigment. The color story, phenomenal. The pigmentation in the formula, just superb. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And finally, value. This is $25 Canadian. You're not gonna find anything else on the market right now at this price for this quality. Like, this is stunning, it's superb. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. Giving us a final score of 38 out of 40. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it? Definitely, I would run out and buy this one. It is amazing. The colors, the pigment, the color story, everything about it, it blends superb. I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, guys, until next time, mwah, live, love, lip gloss. Bye, guys.